Have you ever wondered why you have the right to speak your mind or why elections are held every 5 years? The answer lies in the Constitution of India, a document that empowers us all. Let's uncover a fascinating journey and its role in everyday lives. Preamble of the Constitution. The preamble reflects the philosophy and objectives of the Constitution. It declares India as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. So let's understand what is sovereign. India is independent and free from external controls. Socialist aims to reduce inequality and provide equal justice. Secular, no state religion, equal treatment of all religions. Democratic, power rests with the people, they elect their representatives. Republic, no hereditary rulers, the head of the state is president. Justice, social, economic, and political justice for all citizens. The landmark case is Keswanand Bharti versus State of Kerala 1973. It established that the preamble is part of the constitution, although it cannot be enforced in court. Fundamental rights are included in Part 3 and Articles 12 to 35 of the Constitution. Key articles include Article 12, which defines state for fundamental rights purposes. Article 14 to 18 include rights to equality. Article 15 prohibits discrimination. Article 17 abolishes untouchability. Article 19 includes six freedoms including speech, assembly, and association. Article 21 includes right to life and liberty. It also includes the right to privacy, which is expanded in Puttaswamy versus Union of India case 2017. Article 32 establishes right to constitutional remedies, and it is also termed as the heart and soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Some of the key important cases are Menka Gandhi versus Union of India 1978, which establishes that right to life under 21 includes personal dignity. In Minerva Mills versus Union of India 1980 case, fundamental rights and directive principles must balance. Directive principles of state policy are included in Part 4, Articles 36 to 51 of the Constitution. It is inspired by the Irish Constitution and it is aimed at creating a welfare state. This includes Article 39B and 39C, which prevents wealth concentration, Article 43, which is related to living wages of workers, Article 44, which is related to Uniform Civil Code. Some of the landmark cases include State of Madras versus Champakam Dorairajan, 1951. As per this, directive principles are non-enforceable and they are subordinate to fundamental rights. Fundamental duties are included in Part 4A, Article 51A of the Constitution. They were introduced by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Key duties include respect the Constitution, national flag, and the anthem. Promote harmony and protect the environment. Develop scientific temper and humanism. Although non-enforceable, they are essential for responsible citizenship. Parliamentary system is included in Part 5 and Part 6 of the Constitution. India has a bicameral legislature at the central level. Lok Sabha, which is House of the People, is directly elected. Rajya Sabha, which is Council of States, is indirectly elected. President of India is ceremonial head who acts on the advice of Council of Ministers. He can issue ordinances under Article 123. Governor is the nominal head of a state and he can recommend President rule under Article 356. Landmark case is S.R. Bommai versus Union of India 1994 that limited the misuse of Article 356, which is President's rule. Federalism and center-state relations. Key provisions include division of powers through the 7th schedule. Union list has 97 subjects which are under control of the central government. State list has 66 subjects which are under state government's control. The concurrent list has 52 subjects which are in shared control. The financial relations are included in Article 280. Finance Commission distributes taxes between the center and the state as per provisions. Important case is Keswanand Bharti case 1973, as per which federalism is a part of the basic structure of the doctrine. Emergency provisions are included in Part 18 and Articles 352 to 360. Types of emergencies are Article 352, national emergency due to war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. Article 356, President's rule due to failure of constitutional machinery in a state. Article 360, financial emergency due to financial instability. Key features include fundamental rights except Article 20 and 21 can be suspended during a national emergency. The President assumes greater powers. Important case related to this is Indira Gandhi versus Raj Narayan 1975 that highlighted misuse of emergency powers during the 1975 emergency. The amendment procedures are available in Article 368. Three types of amendments are allowed: by a simple majority, by a special majority of parliament, or by a special majority and ratification by half of the state legislature. One of the landmark cases related to amendments is Keswanand Bharti case 1973 that introduced the basic structure doctrine limiting parliament's amending powers. Judiciary is included in Part 5 and Articles 124 to 147 of the Constitution, as per which Supreme Court is the apex court and guardian of the Constitution. It has original, appellate, and advisory jurisdictions. It has power to examine the constitutionality of the laws. Important case related to judiciary is Golak Nath versus the State of Punjab 1967 that established that Parliament cannot amend fundamental rights, but it was overruled later. Second case is Indira Sahni versus Union of India 1992 that mandated 50% cap on reservations. Important amendments include 42nd Amendment in 1976 that added words socialist, secular and integrity to the parliament. 44th Amendment in 1978 removed the right to property as a fundamental right. 73rd and 74th Amendments introduced Panchayati Raj and urban local bodies. Schedules include the first one, names of states and union territories. Seventh one included division of powers between union, state and concurrent. And the 10th one included anti-defection law.